Hi, I'm Carla Dimattina from Ritam Studio. This is a short core focus workout. Great if you're low on time, but desiring very high impact. So let's come down onto your back. And let's check in where our low back is. It's really important that when we do these exercises, to have the most impact, we want to be working the right muscles and not straining our back. So slide your hand underneath your low back and just feel as your back resting on your hand. I don't want your back to be arched off it or squashing down that you can't get the hand in. Your hand should easily be able to slide under and your back rests on it. Maintain this position and now connect to your lower belly. I want you to imagine cinching in your waist so you're zipping up through your rib cage through to your lower belly. Maintain that and soften your shoulders into the mat. Once you've got that, let's take your hands behind your head. We're going to keep the elbows open, tuck the chin, and then slowly start to roll up. So you're just doing simple little crunches here. I'll often see people do these, but their elbows are here by their face and they're forcing with their upper back. I want you to focus on keeping your elbows open here. And it's more like imagining your armpits reaching towards the end of the mat. Keep the chin tucked and the back of your head supported by your hands. You can actually push the back of your head into your hands slightly. This activates your deep neck flexors, which I refer to as the core of your neck. They are equally important in building your posture and helping relieve neck pain. Keep scooping through the lower belly as you curl up and make sure your pelvis isn't tucking under for you to come up. Keep your pelvis where it is. Check in, put your hand under your lower back. Has it sustained that same position we checked in with at the start? Let's go for 3 more here. On your next one, I'll get you to stay at the top and hold. You're going to extend your right hand and your left hand and then just pulse up a little. I am reaching with my fingertips. My fingertips start at my shoulder blades. So I'm really reaching with my shoulders here, coming up, feeling those upper abdominals engage. If this is too hard on your neck without the support, take one hand back to support your neck. Let's take 3 more here. Very deep, concentrated lifts. I am never letting go of my belly here. On your next one, come up and stay at the top. Hold. Let's take the hands back behind the head and rotate your right elbow towards your left knee. Come back to center. Lower your heads and then lift up and rotate. When we're rotating, I want you to think of your armpit going towards your knee. Try not to close the elbows in here where we're just twisting through the upper back. It's all the way through the side body here. We're working your obliques. They relate to your liver, your gallbladder. They hold a lot of tension through the side body. Here we are strengthening and lengthening. Let's take 2 more each side. Slow and controlled, not fast. Then on your next one, you're going to come back to center and hold. Pick up your right leg. Keep your pelvis neutral. Keep your back where it is. Pick up your left leg. Nothing else moves. Hold. We're going to continue with these twists. Take the right elbow over towards the left knee. Now extend your right leg. Come back to center and go to the other side. Slow and steady. Hold. With the left leg that's lengthened, engage through your butt. Try and connect the elbow to the knee if you can and come back to center. I want you to feel the incremental, every muscle here in your belly connecting. And then come back to center. Again, twist. Lower belly, mid belly, upper, side body. extend through the left leg, come back to center. You may not be able to touch the elbow to the knee. That's eventually where you're headed. Let's take 2 more each side here. Now you can feel you don't need to do many of these, and you don't need to do them fast to feel the burn. On your next one, you're going to stay over on this side and hold it. Reach both arms. Try and come up a little higher. Feel that on that left side body, and then come back in, hands behind head. Last one to the other side. Extend your right leg, right elbow towards right knee. If you can connect them, connect. Reach both arms long and hold. Take a little higher reach. Oh, I can feel that. Come back to center. Bring both knees in. Great. Extend them up and hold. We're nearly there. Keep the elbows open. Don't lose it. Don't curl through the chest. And then bend the knees in. Lower the head down. Lower your feet. Release the arms. Great job. Push through the feet as you lift your hips up. Just wiggle out through your hips here. Open through the belly. Then slowly roll down. Take the arms over your head. Nice stretch through the belly. Try not to arch your back. Keep your backs connected to the mat. Lower the hands. Push through the feet. Lift up. Wiggle side to side again. Slowly roll down, arms back. Let's try one more like that. Bring the hands down. Lift the butt up. Enjoy that opening through the front of the hips, and then slowly roll down. Hands over your head, and then open the arms to a T. Turn to your side and come up to sit. Great job. We really got deep into your abdominals there. We have so many other 5-minute core focused workouts here at Ritam Studio. Or you could also go to ritam.studio, our online platform for movement and meditation.